Hello. This is Dee, one part of the Fishing Gardeners, back at it again. I'm just bringing you a very short informational video. So I'm not zooming in on any of my trees or anything in the garden. As I talk to you, because I like to be behind the camera, as you can see, all I do is basically walk around my garden, okay? So I just wanted to bring a little info. I just uploaded a fruit tree tour at Central Florida Fairgrounds. It's a flea market, okay, and this is where we get a lot of our fruits. Let's say about 65% of our fruits. And what I happen to witness is people going to buy fruit trees. And to me, they were obviously beginning fruit gardeners, okay? So I just want to bring you some quick tips. Make sure that when you're going to go get a fruit tree, whether it be a mango tree, or avocado tree, or any other type of fruit tree, that you either research or go on YouTube for some video. You can even look at my other videos, and so you can learn the characteristics of a tree. Let me give you an example. This right here is an avocado tree. It's an Oro Negro. Look at the leaves for avocados, okay? So that is an avocado tree for Oro Negro. This is very important, okay? This right here is a loquat tree. And you see the difference of the leaves? The reason why I'm bringing this to you, because some people may not know, is when we went there to shoot the video, we had people asking for mango trees. And they were looking at Barbados cherry trees. They were looking at everything and saying, is this a mango tree? Is that a mango tree, right? They didn't know what the formation of the mango tree leaf looks like. So when you do stuff like this, people may take advantage of you and sell you anything because you don't know what a mango tree leaf looks like. Okay, so whatever tree that you are going to get, be very mindful that you want to at least know what the tree leaves look like. The growth pattern. You want to know a little bit of something about the tree. You know exactly what it looked like. You don't want people to be selling you a Barbados cherry tree when you're asking for a mango tree. So I just wanted you to be mindful of, when you go to these places, not saying people are trying to rip you off, but the guy that was trying to buy the tree and the people that were selling the trees actually just looked at the customer like they were crazy and said, well, you don't know what a mango tree looks like? Because the guy was picking everything up, asking, is this a mango tree and that a mango tree? And instead of educating the guy, well, this is what a mango tree looks like. This is what, the guy was getting frustrated. Okay. So people are people, but I just don't want you to get flipped up or tripped up on going to buy trees that you know nothing about. So, look at some YouTube videos, do a little research, and make sure that you're getting exactly what you went to the flea market to get. I would hate for somebody to come back with a mulberry tree and they were trying to get a mango tree. Okay, so just be mindful of that. That's just a little info that I'm giving you. Also, when you go to the flea market, get the trees in the smallest pots, because if you look, sometimes people that are doing at-home nurseries, they don't have time to uppart their trees, all right? So that small pot has that big tree in it. Now, we know the tree's most likely root-bound in that tree, but in that pot. But you probably get yourself a very good deal versus, you can get the bigger pot and the tree's still the same size. You're going to pay a lot more money just because it's a 7-gallon versus a $3 So, be mindful of that. And look at the tree and make sure it's still healthy, okay? I mean, it could be root bound. You can fix that. We got a lot of root bound trees that we went ahead and got, and they grew perfectly. But you want to make sure the tree's not, dead. Look at the whole formation of the tree. Look at the, branches of the tree. Make sure they're healthy, and then go ahead and pick them as such. Okay? So that's just some more little info that I'm giving you when you go out here searching for fruit trees. And that's, again, for beginning fruit gardeners. Okay? Have a blessed day. Goodbye.